Yo, what's up, creative people? I'm really excited to showcase my another framer template. And today we're gonna make a website for okay, let me see what. Okay, today we're gonna make a website for a founder coach, but this template is suitable for any kind of coaching, professional services, or professional consultancy businesses. If you have a business like this, or you can use this template, or if you have a client, you can use this template. All right, let me give you a walkthrough of the template, and then we're gonna go with the editing part. All right, hit refresh. You can see it has very nice animations, and it's in a dark mode website. If I go with the hover option, it's very nice, very subtle, very clean, and yeah, a lot of animations, hover animation here, like sticky animation. And yeah, by the way, all of the things is modular. It can be edited with just simple properties. I'm gonna show you in the video. Yeah, more animations. I really like this animation, this chips. And here, before and after is a most this is a very important component for a consultancy or coaching businesses. Then we have more animations. Yeah, lot of animations. And then the testimonial sections and call to action, FAQs, theme section, and the footer. Yeah, this footer have kind of a blinking animation. It's very subtle, and inside we have more pages. We have privacy policy pages, and we have terms and conditions. I give you two variations of these pages. If you like the terms and condition pages layout, you can use this one, just duplicate and use this one. And if you like the privacy policy one, you can have the freedom to use this one. All right, let me go to the home page again. We have the navigation menu, smooth as butter, bro. I really like this animation and everything. Okay, it takes to the call option for the mobile responsiveness. It's obviously mobile responsive, as you can see. Okay, let me go to top. This is the navigation, and yep. All right, let me take you to the section where I'm gonna show you how you can get the same look within the next 10 minutes, and it will be really easy and it will be really fun to do it, because I have a secret prompt for you. You can just paste it and you have all the information, all the content written for you by AI. I will suggest you to have your own touches, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna do this one. All right. When you purchase the template, you can find the link below. I will have a discount for you. And when you purchase the template, it will give you a remix link. When you click the remix link, it will take you to the dashboard like this. All right. Once you're in the dashboard of Framer, you need to go to the assets panel and go to the, let me put it here. Then go to text. And if you don't like this text on the website, you can click here and you can choose a different one. Let me choose different type first. Maybe let me go with the inter this time. Okay, inter, heading 2, inter, heading 3, inter, heading 4. I'm just going to speed up the video. I'm just going to do all of this text into inter. If I go to the preview, I instantly change all the fonts into the entire website. Wait. No. It's not changing. Why it's not changing? It's here changed, right? All my framers, money bug. All right, now it's changed. All right. If I go to heading 1, I will make it a little bit semi-bold. All right. Now we have link. Same goes for the link. Okay. I guess we don't have to touch the link option. Then go to color, and let's decide we need a different color. All right. Let me bring back the HSL. For hue saturation, for the hue slider, I'm just gonna go with electric, maybe orange. Yeah, this orange. I really like this orange color. All right, accent, maybe a little bit of teal color. Okay, so this can be as green, but if you want to change the color, you can do this one. We take into all the color with the G value. It stands for gray. You can keep it as it is. You don't have to touch it because it's already optimized for dark mode. But if you want to have a slight tint of different color, maybe from purple or maybe in this case orange, we can do this one. Select the top one. This is a page background. Just click here and HSL value, and then you can drag this maybe into the orange, and the saturation maybe increase this little bit. It goes to this part. Okay, here. H stands for hue. This is the slider and saturation, and this is the lightness. All right. If I go over there, okay, I have this tint right now. Okay, like this, and maybe saturation a little bit darker, lightness darker. Just play with the HSL as the first and the second value. Don't play with the lightness, because if you play with the lightness, you have to manually update it in all the places here. Okay, once you get the 14 is 1400, so same goes 14 and it's gonna be 100. Okay, 14 100 and 14. Okay, do the changes until G600. If you want to change the heading color, this is the all title. If I see, okay, this is the title. If you want to change the color, you can do it. It's your choice. It's a body text. If you want to have orange tint to it, you can do it like this. So it depends on you. And yeah, the white. Just changes this few value. You already have the website in your own brand color and identity. You have to change places because Framer doesn't allow these parts. If I go to this frame here, I have to go to shadow and I have to press, I have to change the slider of the HOE value and then go to the home again, and it will be changed everywhere. Same goes for the other. Let me see if there's another part. Okay, like this. Double click it. When you see the different color, go there and just drag the slider. I guess we are pretty much done, right? Right here, if I go there, okay, where is the CTA? Okay, linear. Okay, choose this one. Choose this circle. Okay, by the way, if you don't see this option, just click here. It might be in RGB. Just drag the same thing goes for this. All right, I guess we are done here. Okay, now let's change the logo. If I go double click here, okay, now just go to asset, and here you will see navigation, and from navigation click here, and then okay, in the image section choose your logo. We are cutting our logo here, right? So to fix this one, go to the click here and select fill to fit, and you can actually have this one. It will not lose any kind of got the quality, but I will just say keep it auto. All right, yeah, I guess we are pretty much done, right? If I go to home, all right, so we have footer section. If I go to assets and go to click the footer, and same thing, choose the image. Okay, this time I'm going to choose this icon. We already done pretty much. Yeah, we have our website with our own branding and with our orange color, and pretty much it. If I now hit publish here, and if I go to this link, we can see our website. Wait, again, and let me try to this is heading, publish, update. Okay, now if I refresh it, every single thing has been edited with our own branding and own branding color. It's looking pretty nice. All right, okay, we have to change this. Okay, now for the link, if you click the button over here, you will find a link option. Just click it and then paste your Calendly or cal.com or any kind of booking link you have. You can paste it over here, and to edit the buttons, double click it, and you can see we have to change colors. Okay, the shadow color will be this, and this color will be this. Same for this. Yep, I guess pretty much done. All right, okay, now let's talk about the content. I told you we have a prompt. If you copy this thing, or if you use any AI you want, I'm gonna use Perplexity. I'm just gonna paste it, and then for it has variables, like it has niche variables, so you can define the niche variables, then target customer and the services and the provider. You need to define these things, and for this I already have this example here. I'm gonna just this one, and I'm gonna say, and this replace the variables with this, and then give me the copy backend content for my website. I'm gonna paste it, and I'm gonna use Cloud 4. Yeah. Now the AI will give me all the content. I'm just then copy and paste it. Right. The hero section, this one, I double click it, Control A, Control V, paste it. Sub headline, same, double click, Control V, and 30 broad journey and book history. Okay, edit the text of the button. You have to click here, button text, and book your strategy goal. Same goes, click here, and yep. Okay, and to edit the testimonials, first of all, double click it, click here, and okay, this is the icon. If you want to change the color of this icon, you need to go to style, filter, HUE, and then drag it until you can find the color you want. For example, this is kind of giving the orange tint. And then, okay, then go back and you'll have all the variables here. You have 2 variants. It's for mobile. You don't just stay with the variant 1. And this is the quotation text. If I say this is the example code, and the link is a LinkedIn link. Then if you want to show Twitter, then Twitter, just show it. You know, just yes or no, and then press the link here and the client name, demo client, and the position. And to change the company logo, just click here. And if let me use this one, and it has been changed. You can do the same thing for all the other. If you want to change the color, change the content of this area, then yeah, this is the demo, and you can just get icon you want to use. Just type it, maybe home and hockey. Okay, yeah, you got the icon. All right, and this is a Y section. If I go there, this is the one, right? You have all the bullet points, and you have the text. Just text, paste it, and then you can copy and paste all the bullet points. Okay, you can say, make it shorter, these bullet points, so make it shorter, and it will be easier for you to it will be easier for the client to digest and to scan through the website. And yeah, use the consequences the consequences section, the next one. Okay, yeah, as you can see, you have all the information right here, and a comparative tab table. You can have 1 and 2. You can have another one, but I would just say just stick with the 2. If I go at that, okay, so you have to change this font. Okay, just select this, go to the font area and type enter. And then if you want to have the bold option, just select the area and press Ctrl I. It will have the bold option. Right, yeah, same goes for this testimony. You can change the same thing. And okay, the coaching and the computer, you can edit the part. If you select this one, this is the demo. Yeah, you can. If you want to change the icon, double click it, select the icon, and from here you can actually go and use the different icon. Maybe this one will be like this, and it will be changed in real time here. All right, the next one, same. Select this one. You have the icon name, you have the title, you have the body, optional extra. Just double click, and this is the demo. All right, and the buttons, video testimonials, just select this one, and you can have a default this is just 60:9 aspect ratio. And if you want to have a taller video, you can just select a tall video, and you have the URL here, and you have more options over there. Okay, and then book again, you need to change the link to your Calendly link. You have the FAQ, like this one, just one click, and you can have the questions and edit content. You can edit the contents over here. You can have more options to edit. And for the team, just select images and replace with the images you have. And when you have, okay, double click the, okay, you have to go to asset and then footer and select this, go to layer, make sure you're selecting the text option, change the font to enter. Okay, all right, as you can see, we actually work on one side and the website is automatically responsive. Every single part is responsive of this website. Now just hit publish, update, wait for it, wait Figma. Nope. And if I say Ctrl R, you can see every single thing has been edited. Nice, bro. Yeah, the icon is changed. Yep. Even if I go to the inside pages, it's changed. All the colors and everything has been changed. All right, this is how we actually get the template and we replace with our content, with our colors, with our branding, and we got a fully functional, responsive web page and landing page that is focused on conversion. Yeah, if you want to have the custom domain, go to setting, then domain. Then you have to connect a domain. For this one, you have to update. Okay, once you click the remix link from the PDF, you will already get the 50% discount automatically applied for your account. You can get the basic option for yearly. I guess it's the best one because you need to have the 50 GB of bandwidth. If you can password protect the pages. I will say go with the basic one. You will stay in the safe side. And as you are getting the first year for 50% off, yeah, it's a no-brainer to get the basic plan for the yearly plan. And yeah, and then go to general section and then use the site title, the site description. Pretty much it. Then you upload your fab icon, you find your preview app icon, and again publish the website. and you have your own consultancy landing page or coaching business landing page or landing page, whatever you want to say, you have it. It's pretty much it. And thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much to every single one who are going to purchase this template and who purchased this template. It really helps me to make more templates like this. Yeah, see you in the next video, and if you have any question, feel free to reach out to me via the email, or just type your concern or your questions in the comment box, and I will reply all of them. All right, see you in the next video. Till then, stay creative and keep creating. Peace.